Okay, so my second talk is about elphel, a small US-based company designing and manufacturing open hardware and free software network cameras. It's a small 4-people company. This is some of the boards we manufacture. On the left, on the top, you have the motherboard. So it's basically a GNU Linux embedded computer. On the left, you have the Linux part, and on the right, the FPGA part for real-time video encoding. Then in the middle, you have the extension board with all the devices like SATA, inter-camera synchronization, USB, and many other stuff. On the bottom, the sensor board and the multiplexer for sensors. With all these boards, you can build different type of camera setup. And I just put a drawing of the next revision of the future camera. So you can build with these building blocks different types of camera. Here are some example with just the different boards used and what it can. What you can build with as camera. So on the left, on the top, we have just the basic, most basic model. On the bottom, you have a camera with storage, internal storage in SATA, and GPS. So as the camera runs Linux inside, it's really easy to port any different software to enhance the capability. On the right, you have photogrammetry cameras, a stereo camera, a multi-sensor setup that allow to do many different photogrammetry application, and the stereo photogrammetry panoramic camera. So this is quite new for us, the photogrammetry, and we are mostly a hardware company. So here we need to find some free software partners who would like to help us to develop this kind of free software. So the camera is reconfigurable and user and developer friendly. We don't provide just open source, non-compilable firmwares, but everything you get in the camera is sources inside. So that means that at the end of the compilation process, the script will pack all the sources and put them inside the firmware. So you always know which sources you are running on. All our sources are available on SourceForge, and the boards, schematics, and all the design files are available on our wiki. For the licenses, we use GPL for all our GPL v3 for all our internally developed software, including the FPGA video compressor. AGPL for all web portals. All the hardware is now licensed under CERN open hardware license, which we used since it exists. Before we used the free documentation license also for the hardware. So just some examples of the usage of our hardware. It was used for Google Street View. Most of the image you can see on Google Street View are made with our cameras. BookScan
1 minute
also. A nice Antarctic underwater Street View-like project done by Moss Landing Marine Lab. And just one of the big customers is also NASA for Global Lock or different UAV. So here you can get some additional information on our developments, all the source code, and I invite you to talk to me if you are interested to participate in photogrammetry development application. Thank you.